my sewing room. Today is Fridaysews, and this is where we talk a little bit about what we've been sewing, a little bit about life. I did a tutorial earlier this week on how to make some eyeglass cases. So I made those this week, and that tutorial is on my channel if you want to check that out. I'll put a link in my description. And I've been making a gift for my son. So Tito, if you're watching, please fast forward this part. I don't want you to see this. Okay, fast forward. And I made my son a lanyard with the logo of his company. And then after I made it, my husband comes in and says, guys don't wear it around their neck like that, Robyn. They put it in their pocket and have this part hang out. So I'm not done yet. I still have to go back and add more to this part of the lanyard. I didn't know. Now I know. I got more work to do on that before I can mail it. The prompt this week was, what's the best holiday gift you ever made? And mine was last Christmas. I made my adult son, who was 32 years old, I made him a T-shirt quilt out of all his T-shirts from when he was in middle school and high school. And here's a little photo of the quilt. And now here is a video of him opening and his priceless reaction. You're welcome.
So cute.
Ooh, Oliver. Bubble wrap.
Careful, buddy. What is this? Oh my goodness. Are these like some old
Those are your shirts.
Oh, I say I remember these.
Look, they're very elementary.
Where did
You were
you
on
still
the
have
class
all
box.
these from? That's the big surprise. Oh my
Let me see.
goodness.
Oh my god.
I literally remember wearing every one of these shirts. That's for the man cave. That's amazing.
That's sewn with love in every stitch.
Oh, I love it, Mama.
Perfect for
why
your-
do I recognize these?
Because they're
wore
yours.
these.
Look at the
Oh my
DeBerry
goodness.
Elementary.
I love this shirt. I had this in 3 different colors.
And look on each corner.
That's not nice. Okay.
Transfers.
Oh, in each corner. Oh,
Can I give you these to
goodness.
put on the table?
This is amazing.
And it's
Mama.
warm and cozy. You like the backing I put on
I
it?
love it.
It's so nice.
Oh my goodness.
It looks cozy. Thank you, baby.
I like want to use it, but I also just want to put it on my wall. It's amazing.
Yay.
I love it,
Awesome.
Mama. That's so
Merry
crazy.
Christmas,
Oh,
honey.
man.
You're gonna put the
I
artwork
can't
on
believe you
the
still
left
had all these T-shirts. Like I love this. I wore this T-shirt all the
I'm pretty sure.
I'm glad you love it,
time. I love
honey.
it. Love it. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Beautiful.
That brings tears to my eyes every time I watch it. It made me so happy that he loved it so much. And now I have a question for you guys. You know, I've been making these pin tuck dresses, and I showed you this one a while back. And I just love, love, love this fabric. It doesn't wrinkle. It's lightweight to wear here in the summer in Florida, and it's just so comfortable. I love it. And I'm trying to find more of this type of fabric. This one is 95% polyester with 5% spandex. And it's so hard to find with colors that I like, because I like really girly, florally colors. And I made this one in the past, and I made a mistake. I love the print. It's so beautiful, but I didn't realize that this was a 4-way stretch, because it stretches both ways. So when I put it on, it just drapes really bad. It just hangs and droops. So I may just keep this and wear it as a nightgown, but as a dress out, it just doesn't work. It doesn't flow nicely. So I am on a search to find some knit fabric with some beautiful florals and like Florida type prints. And I'm looking online, I'm looking everywhere. Sometimes Joann's has some, but not always in the colors I'm looking for. And I've looked at a few fabric places online. Some of you have recommended, and I really appreciate that, but they didn't have very much in the colors or with the 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So if any of you know of any online stores that have that type of fabric, please comment below, because I really want to make more dresses, and this fabric is just amazing. It doesn't wrinkle, and it washes beautifully, and it stays new looking. This is 5 years old, this dress, and it still looks brand new. And I just wash it and I let it hang dry, and it doesn't wrinkle. I love it. So that's my little request. If anyone could help me, I would really appreciate it. And upcoming in the future, I'm still going to be working on this Minky blanket for my future granddaughter who's coming in April. I can't wait. But I'm gonna do a tutorial. I know some subscribers commented that they're looking forward to me doing a tutorial on this, because Minky is kind of hard to work with. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. And I'm gonna sew one side with this beautiful floral and the other side with this Minky. And that will be upcoming, a tutorial on that. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any future videos. I really appreciate you guys. I'm already up to 363 subscribers. Thank you so much. You guys just make my day every time it pops up that I have a new subscriber. So I'm just loving this, and I just love you guys, and I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. Thank you for joining me today. Have a so blessed day. Bye for now.